In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Apple Pay age requirement. If you're trying to set up Apple Pay and you see an age requirement message, it usually means your Apple ID has a date of birth that makes you appear too young, or it's simply entered incorrectly. Apple Pay uses the birth date on your Apple ID to confirm eligibility, so the fastest fix is to make sure that information is accurate and saved properly. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. At the very top, you'll see your Apple ID banner with your name and profile photo. Tap that to open your account settings. Next, find and select Personal Information. Here, you'll see the details associated with your Apple ID. Tap Date of Birth. Take a moment to carefully check the day, month, and year. It's easy to mix up formats, especially if you've moved between regions that list dates differently, so confirm that what you see reflects your actual legal birth date. If anything is wrong, update it now. Make sure it matches what's on your official identification, because Apple may use that information for verification if there's ever a question about your account. When you've confirmed everything is correct, tap Done to save your changes. That's an important step. Without saving, the update won't carry over to Apple Pay. Give it a little time for the change to sync across Apple's services. In many cases, once your date of birth is correct and saved, the age requirement message disappears the next time Apple Pay checks your eligibility. Keep in mind that Apple Pay and Apple Cash have minimum age rules that vary by country or region, and family accounts with parental controls can also affect eligibility. Even so, having the right date of birth on your Apple ID is the core requirement and resolves most issues. If you've verified your birth date, saved it, and you still see an age requirement error, the next step is to contact Apple support for additional verification. They can review your account on the back end and help confirm your eligibility. It's helpful to know the exact message you're seeing and which device you're using, and be prepared to confirm your correct birth date. Support may ask a few quick questions to make sure everything lines up with your account records. That's it. With your date of birth updated and saved, most Apple Pay age errors are resolved quickly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Apple Pay tips and